we start? Okay, look at here. Okay, today we want to learn. Now we continue for our previous lesson. We want to learn about this one, how we have to present the situation. Can you look at this? Learning standard at your textbook, page 165. Learning standard. We have to represent situation in the form of system of linear inequalities. Okay. Everybody get it? This is what we're going to learn today. Okay. So, someone, please write for me. Please read for me example of the situation from this book. Anybody volunteer? Anybody can volunteer? Read example of situation and the symbol of the linear inequalities. Anybody? Can you see my monitor? Can you see in your monitor? This is textbooks, page 165. Anybody can? Or I have to call your name? Samita. Samita, are you there? Samita? Samita, you can on your mic and please read from this table. Can Samita? Samita, can or not?
Yeah, can teacher. What page is it?
Okay, page 165. Can you see the box there? The text box there? Example of a situation. Okay, Samita.
Yeah,
Samita?
yes, teacher. Read which one?
Okay. Okay, you can read this example. Example of situation. This. Can you?
Yeah, sure. Y
Okay.
is greater than X.
Y is greater than X, then
Y is more than X.
less this. Y is
More than X.
more than X. Okay, next.
Y is less than X.
Okay, then.
Y is less than X.
Then.
Y is not less than X.
Okay, then.
Y is not more than X.
Then.
Y is least K times X.
Okay, continue.
Y is at most K times X.
Okay, then.
Maximum of Y is K.
Okay,
Minimum of Y is K.
okay,
Sum of X and Y is greater than K.
okay,
Differences between Y and X is less than K.
okay, the last one.
Y is more than X by at least K.
Okay, very good. Okay, thank you, Samita. Okay, look at here. This is the situation that we're going to use, and then we have to create the linear inequalities from the situation. Okay, Y is greater than X. Y is greater than X means, okay, this is the symbol. Symbol. This is besar. Siapa yang ada di sini besar. And siapa ada di sini adalah kecil. Tengok simbol dia. So Y is greater than X. So Y is bigger than X. Y is not less than X. Less means kecil lah. Okay, so X bigger than Y lah kalau kita baca dari belakang. X bigger than Y. And then Y is not less. Not less. Dia tak boleh kurang daripada X. That means Y also can be X bila ada tanda sama dengan ini. More than, not less. Then is it bigger, greater, and equal to X. Okay. Then Y is not more than X. Y is at least K time. That means X we have to divide. We have to multiply by K. Y at least sekurang-kurangnya. At least ni means sekurang-kurangnya K darab X. That means dia tidak boleh lebih. Dia mesti sekurang-kurangnya K darab X. Dia mesti lebih besar daripada K darab X. Okay, then Y is the most, K times X. Minimum Y, maximum of Y is K. Y greater than K. Yeah? Maximum Y is K. That means K must be minimum. Okay, next, minimum of K is Y. Then the sum. Okay, look at here, sum. Sum means what? Tambah, hasil tambah. total lah. So sum of x plus and y is greater than k. So x, n means plus. X plus y must be greater than k. Then difference between y and x is less than k. And this one is different. Different means tolak lah. Then y is more than x by at least k. So y is more than x. That means y is more than x. That means what? Minus lah. More than x. Must be at least k. So kurang-kurangnya k. Dia mesti lebih besar dari k. Okay, never mind. Okay, we have to use this. We have to use the linear inequality after this. And even in your maths also, we have this linear inequalities. Okay, so look at the example. Okay, before this, I give you the example, isn't it? I give the example, same situation. Same situation. Dan, yes. Okay, someone have pass up the example from here. Okay. Okay, look at here. Page 166. Page 166. Okay, look at here. How we want to make and verify the conjectures about the point in the region and solution of linear inequality system. Okay, look at here. This is the graph. This is the graph we are going to use. Okay, the graph we find we build the line using the equation. This is the equation. Okay, this is x plus y is equal to 8. Okay, this is the line for x plus y is equal to 8. And the blue one, blue or green, this one. Okay, the green one is represent y is equal to 3. And okay, we have two equation. Then kalau dia berada di atas, when the line when the shaded region is berada di atas, that means what? X plus y is greater than 8. Okay, this is we have to we already know last week. And bila berada di bawah, yang ini means what? Bawah y less than 3, less than or equal. X plus y greater than or equal. Why this symbol? Because the line is a solid line. That's why we have to use a solid line. Okay. And what happened if the point is on the line? What happened? When the point is on the line, means what? Means that x plus y is equal to 8. That is satisfied. And look at it. That is satisfy the point. Okay. Okay, that's I repeat again. I repeat what we already know last week. Okay, now we look at for the look at here. How we want to shade the region. Okay, for two equation. Okay, for two equation. Before that, we have to know how we want to draw the straight line. Anybody knows? Anybody knows how we want to draw a straight line? Everybody knows how? Before this, you already learned about y is equal to mx plus c, isn't it? Have you learned it for this? Hello, you can
Yes,
on your
teacher.
Okay, so if you have learned y is equal to ms plus c, that means you have learned straight line, the equation of the straight line. So today we want to how we want to draw a straight line using the equation. Okay, look at here. Determine shade the region that satisfies a linear inequality system. Okay, look at here. Look at my memory. My memory. This is last week. Where look at the pink region. This is a line, the dotted line. The dotted line. Sebab ada dotted, that means y greater than ms plus c. Sebab the line, the shaded region is atas atas, bahagian atas garisan. Okay, and the green one, kawasan ini adalah lebih kecil. This one lebih besar. Yang ni lebih kecil. Why dotted line? Because the equation is, this is the equation. Y less than mx plus c. This one, y more than mx plus c. Okay, can you understand? Can you understand? Okay, this is for m positive. M positive. What is m positive? M positive means the gradient must be positive lah. The gradient must be positive. This is m negative. M negative means the gradient is negative. Positive, that means is the right side, and the negative more to the left side. Okay, never mind. Okay, look at y. Example 10. We try to draw the straight line. Okay, we try to draw a straight line. Okay, example 10. Example 10. Question A. Okay, y is equal to y. Sorry, y not equal. Y is what? More than, kan? Less than, sorry, less than. Okay, y is less than, sorry, hilang dah. Okay, y is less or equal to x plus 3. Okay, step number 1. How we want to draw? You change the equation, the linear inequalities to the equation first. Y is equal to x plus 3. Is it clear? Is it clear, class? Step number 1. Is it clear? Someone answer, please. I know you there.
Yes, very clear.
Okay. Step number 2. We use the table. We use the table. Okay, we use the table when x and y. Okay, the value for x and y, we have to pick the value for x and y. Any value that inside the graph. Okay, let's say when x is equal to 0, y is equal to what now? We substitute 0 to x and then plus 3. So what is y? Y now is 3. So when x is 0, y now is 3. Okay, you get me? Can you understand? Step number 1. Okay, that's step number 2. And the next step, okay, you find again one more coordinate. When we want to use, we have to use 2 coordinates to make a straight line. Okay, so okay, we can substitute any value for x. Any value, please. Any value, you can choose any value.
5.
5. Okay, let's say x is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 plus 3. So y become 8. So when x is equal to 5, you put inside the table, and then y become, when x is equal to 5, y become 8. Then we have a coordinate, isn't it? Number 3, step number 3, we have a coordinate. What is the coordinate? 0, 3, and 5, 8. Okay, that is the 2 point. Okay, then what to do? Number 4. What to do? Number 4. Number 4, we draw. We draw the y-axis and x-axis. Okay, we draw. Okay, we draw y-axis and x-axis. Okay. Okay, look at the value for y. Sampai 8 kan? So make sure 8 inside your, make sure 8 to inside your axis. Okay, can or not? Can you follow me?
Teacher, your voice is lagging.
Ada?
Your voice is lagging.
Oh, sometimes you hear, sometimes you don't hear. My line a problem. Okay, never mind. We try. Some, maybe there's this instruction on the line. Okay, look at here. So we have 2 coordinates, 0, 3, and 5, 8. So we using different color. Okay, now let's say this one should be 0, isn't it? This one should be 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. This is X axis. Okay, and this one should be what? Y axis. Okay, from the Y, we're using the same scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so until 8. Okay, so the first point, the first coordinate is X is 0. Okay, X is 0. X is 0, Y is 3. X is 0, Y is 3. This is the first coordinate. 0, 3. Can you understand? Okay, can you understand? Can I continue? Okay, so the second point is 5, 8. This is coordinate X, this is coordinate Y. So 5, 8, 5 is it? Okay, 5 here for X and 8 here. So this is the point of 5, 8. Can you get me? Can you get me? Okay. To draw the line, we have 2 points. So we already have a 2 point. Okay. How? You have to use the ruler. You have to use the ruler. Then we have to use a ruler. So we make extension for this 2 of point. Okay, you can also boleh panjangkan. Okay, make extension for these 2 point. So this is a line for what? Which one equation? Y equal to X plus 3. Okay, this Y is equal to X plus 3. Okay, can you understand? Can or not? Can or not? This is 4 step. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, step number 4. You can screenshot. You can screenshot how to draw the. Okay, how we draw straight line. Okay, you can screenshot the way how there is a 4 step. Okay. Okay. So is it we not answer the question yet. And the other one is what? X less than 2. X less than 2. Okay, this is X axis. This is X axis. When X is less than 2, that means, okay, let's say I choose, this is X. X is equal to 2 here. Okay, here is X is equal to 2. So the symbol is less than. The symbol is less than. So we have to use dotted line. Okay, we have to use the dotted line. Okay, you draw using a what? A ruler. Teacher don't have a dotted line here, so we have to use a freehand line. Okay, so this is X is equal to 2. And the question is one, where is the shaded for X less than 2? This is the A or B? A or B? Where is the region for X less than 2? Is it at A or at B? Answer me, please. Yes. Which way? A or B? Less than 2. Less than 2. A or B? Less than 2. Hello?
A.
A. Okay. When the region is at A, so you have to use okay, you have to shade the region. Okay, this is X less than 2. The dotted line. And the other one just now, the number 1, the question is Y less than. And this is Y is equal to X plus 3. Okay, which one? Y less than X plus 3. Which one? Okay, A or B now. A or B. This is a line. Y is equal to X plus B plus 3. So where is the shaded, where is the region that represent that Y less or equal to X plus 3? That is A or B. A or B. Which way? Anybody? Anybody can answer me? A or B? Okay lah, I use the different letter. C or D? C or D? Not A or B. Okay. C or D? Okay, which one? Anybody can answer? Less than. So which way? Which way? Anybody can answer? Which way? C or D? The question is why? Okay, why or C? Okay, the question is why less than or equal to X plus 3. So when less, this is a line. When less or equal to 3, the region is bawah graf, di bawah graf. This is atas graf and this is bawah graf. Sebab dia adalah kecil. Okay, so we have to answer here. Okay, so now which region intersects both of the equation? Which one? Which region intersects? Which region intersects? So we have here, isn't it? Okay, I try to. Okay, different color. So which one the region? Both is intersect. Both are equality. So the region is like this. The black one. Is it true? Is it true?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the answer. And then when you shade, make sure you shade full. You shade full. Okay, full like this. Full. Okay, so this is the region. So the region we can represent as R also. R. Okay, that's how. That is example 10. Example 10. This question. Okay, any question before I move to another question? Anybody want to ask? Anybody? Next example. How many of you? 35. Okay. Okay. Look at here. Okay, page now is page 170. Okay, all students, look at page 170. Okay, look at here. We have three equation here. 3 equation. 1, 2, 3. Okay, first equation is 2y greater than x. Okay. Oops. Wrong, dah hilang pula dah. Sekejap ya. Oh, dia sudah hilang kan? Sekejap. Okay. Look at here. 2y greater or equal to x. So kalau when we want to substitute, we have to make y as a subject. Y is equal to x over 2. Can or not? 2 kita turun ke bawah. So y greater or equal to x over 2. Okay. This is for equation number 1. Equation number 2 also same. This is equation number 1. Equation number 2. X plus y less than 4. So we make y as a subject. Y less than 4. We have that down first. Then x we have to move there. Come negative. equation number 2. So we have to draw this line and this line. We have to draw this line, both line, and then represent, okay, and represent where is the area. Okay, you want me to show or not, or we just go through for the solution? Example 11. Okay, look at here. 2y greater than x. Okay, this sometimes they not convert y as a subject. This also can. You just substitute. First, you substitute x is equal to 4 and x is equal to negative 4. And the other one also same. Then we plot the graph. Plot the graph, negative 4, negative 2. So negative 4, negative 2 here. And the other one, 4, 2 here. And then get 2 point. We have to extend the 2 point. Okay. Then the other one, x plus y is equal to 4 because the equation is not equal. X plus y less than 4. So we have to represent it as a dotted line. Okay, draw the straight line of equation, identify the common region, and then shade the region. So for the first one is 2y greater than x. 2y greater than x. So kawasan dia di atas. And the second one is x plus y is less than 4. Kawasan dia berada di bawah, less. So then ada lagi ni, x must be greater than or equal to 0. X, this is x axis, so mesti lebih besar daripada kosong. So the okay, so the area, the shaded region should be here. X is the purple one is what? Represent x greater than or equal to 0. So which area that's cover all three equation? Which area? So the area should be the triangle, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so the area must be here. Okay, so the area must be here. So you can color the area. You can color using your pencil color or what, highlighter. Okay, so make sure the color is inside the line. So this is a lebih pula. Okay, so this is the region. Okay, can you understand or not? Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay. Okay, self-practice. Okay, there is a more than 2. Okay. Okay, look at why? Okay, sketch the drawing. Okay, look at here. One more example. Okay, which one? Which one you want to teacher? Okay, the example. Which one? Which example? Number 1, number 2, because this is your homework. This is your homework. Okay, which one you want me to we do together? Which one?
Teacher, maybe question number 2.
Number 2, A or B?
B.
B. Okay. Look at here, page 170. Question number 2B. Question number 2B. Shade the region that satisfies each of the following systems of linear inequalities. Okay, the first equation given that y less or same less or greater less or same of 2 over 3x plus 4. Okay, this question, the line is built already. Dia dah bagi graph, dia dah bagi line dia. So just we have to identify. It is less atas ke bawah? Is it underline or up to the line? Less than. Atas ke bawah? Plus. A or B? Which part? Y is equal to 2 over 3x plus 4.
B.
B. Yes. B. The region is B. Okay. The first region B. And then x less than 3. Dia dah buat dah. The dotted line already given. Less than 3. C or D? Less than 3.
D.
C or D?
D.
D. D is more than 3. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Huh? If you
Oh, okay.
okay, so
C.
okay, C or D?
C.
Okay, C. Okay, this is the area for. Okay, this is the area. The area is okay. Sampai sini sampai sini the negative area also. Then okay, this one's already. This one done already. So x greater than 0. This is x. This is x. X greater than 0. Okay, where is the region for x greater than 0? This is 0. So this is x, huh? X here. So C, D, E, F. E or F greater than 0? E or F? Should be E or F plus
F.
F. Okay, this is x greater than 0. Okay. And the last one, y greater than 0. Senang. Y is E, F, G,
E.
H. Okay, G, H. Which area? A or G or H? G or H? G or H greater than 0. G, the positive side. Okay. Okay, now. Ni kat atas kan? So now, where is the region that satisfy the equation? Which one? Semua ada. It
The
should be
middle side.
the
The
bentuk apa?
Y, middle of Y and X equals to 3.
Okay. So bentuk dia apa? Inilah. Okay, bentuk dia adalah sebuah. What is this? What is call it? What is it called? Trapezium. Okay, this is answer. Okay, so this we can represent as the R. R is for region. Okay, R is for region. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Any question? Any question? Okay. If you are very clear, so this is for your homework. Homework. Number 1. Okay, number 1 we have to discuss first. Okay, number 2. Okay, number 1. Okay, I have to. Okay, number 1. What is the identify the region that satisfy? Okay, sometime okay dia beri apa? Dia beri region. That's region and shaded region, and then they want you to identify what is the linear inequalities. Okay, what is the linear inequalities? What is it? Okay, this is the A, B, C, D. This is example for objective question. A, B, C, D. Where is the region that satisfies the linear inequalities? Y greater or less than 1/2 plus 1. Okay, lebih kecil. Should be bawah, betul? Should be bawah sini. Then x greater than 0. X greater than 0 should be atas lah. Okay. X greater than 0 should be here. Okay, so mana kawasannya? A, B, C, D. Which one? Which one? Which one? A, B, C, D. Where is the answer?
C.
C. Okay, the answer is C. This question is example for objective question for paper 1. Okay, so this is your homework. Number 1 and number 2 for this page. Number 2. Okay. Number 2 and number 3. Next week is a holiday kan? School holiday. So better we get more exercise for you. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, any question? Any question? Number 3, do you want to let teacher know? Number 3, do you want to some example or not? Number 3.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, which question? A, B, C, D. Which
C.
question? C. Okay, C. Okay, look at here. Number 3, C. Okay, class. Okay, here. Okay, the sketch and shade the region. Sketch, huh? No need to use a graph paper. Your mathematics paper is like this, isn't it? So the question number 1 is y less or equal to negative x plus 8. Then, okay, y more than or equal to x plus 6 plus 8. Then x less than 4. Okay, first step, we have to use the table first for equation number 1. For equation number 1, we have to use the table x, y, and then we pick two value for x. Y is equal to negative x plus 8. Okay, we have to substitute x. When x is equal to what? X is equal to what? Let's say we pick any number. When x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 0, y is negative 0 plus 8. So y is equal to what? Plus
8.
8. Okay. 8 here. And then when x is equal to, let's say, which number? Which number? What number? Don't the number too big, very big. Just one example.
4.
4. Okay, let's say 4. So y become negative 4 plus 8. So y is equal to 4. When x 4, y also 4. Okay, this is okay. Now, this is for question number 1. For equation number 1. Now, equation number 2. Y greater or same as negative 2x plus 8. Y greater or equal to negative 2x plus 8. So, we draw a table plus. Okay, pick up the two value of x. Okay, let's say when x is equal to 1. Biasanya cikgu letak kosong lah senang. When x is equal to 0, so y is equal to 2 multiple 8, multiple 0 plus 8. So y become what now? 8. When x 0, y 8. Okay. Any number? One more number. When x is equal to, when x equal to what?
3.
3. When x equal to 3, y is equal to negative 2 multiplied by 3 plus 8. So negative 6 plus 8, y is equal to 2. When it is 3, y is equal to 2. So what is the coordinate? This is a coordinate that we have to need. Okay, the first coordinate is 0, 8, and 4, 4. The other one is 0, 8,
8.
3,
3.
sorry,
2.
3, 3. Okay, same like okay, we have to be sure that all the number, all the coordinate is inside your graph. Okay, so we have to use. Okay, this is not the coordinate, not the negative side. So we use all positive. Okay, use all positive. Okay, this one you can use your exercise book also. Your exercise book already have a kotak-kotak kan. Okay, so we label it. This one. Paksi. Lari. Okay, this one C X. Okay, so what we have to do? We label it. This is what X exists and this is Y exists. So we can start. Kalau tak nak kemas lah, kita tak payah buat semua. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. This one also in 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Okay. The first coordinate is 0, 8. X is 0, Y is 8. So this is the we have to plot here. Then the other one is 4, 4. 4, 4. Okay. Okay. There is 2. There is 2. What? There is 2 point there. So we have to extend the point. Okay. Extend the point. And name it. What is the equation here? Y is equal to negative X plus 8. Okay. That is first equation. Then the second one, okay, the second one we have to use another color. Okay, jauh. Okay, let's say 0, 8, 0, 8 and 0, 8 same coordinate. 0, 8 and 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2 here. Okay. So we use the straight line. You have to use the ni lah. Baris circular. Okay, use the straight line, the green one. Okay, you can extend the line. The green one, what is the equation? Y is equal to
Negative 2x plus 8.
okay. Y is equal to negative 2x plus 8. Okay, now we have to shape. The first one, y less than. Y less than. Y less than which area? For the blue line, A or B? Less. Less than. This is negative x plus 8 kan? So less than should be, okay, should be here. Okay. Then the other one is y greater than. Okay, look at the green one. Green one greater than, which should be atas Okay, here. Understand? Can you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Then ada lagi satu cikgu tertinggal. Okay, this x ni x less than 4. X less than 4. This is 4, isn't it? Okay, this is 4. Less there is a dotted line. You have to use the dotted line. Okay, so this is 4. Okay, you have to use the dotted line. Okay, I don't have a ruler for dotted line, so I use my free hand. Then less than 4. Less than 4 should be right side or left side? Which one? Less than 4 should be on the left side.
Left side.
Okay, very good. So, is it clear? Now, can you tell me which the region? What is the shape of the region for the 3 equation? There is a purple one, the green one, and the blue one. Which area? Mana kawasannya?
Yang macam triangle, cikgu.
Betul, triangle. So the triangle side is okay lah. Okay, so you can draw Is it clear or not? Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, this is the region. So we can represent it as R also. Region we can use as R also. When you find what is R, R is stand for region. Okay, is it clear? Okay. Okay, this question you have to do. You also have to do this question. If you want to crop this, also can. Crop this as an example, also can. Okay, have you done? Okay, have you done?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank you. Okay, is it how many of you today? Well, how many of you? There is ada lagi kawan awak yang tak masuk ya. There's 33 only ya. So where is the others? What happened? Kenapa tak masuk? Okay, we look at the past year question. You want to you want not past year question. SPM. Okay, look at here. Okay, SPM. This is an example for SPM. Okay, look at the number one. On the graph in the answer shape, space shade the region which satisfy the three inequalities. First inequalities is y less or equal to negative x plus 6. And then the second one is y greater than 2x minus 4. And the other one is y x more than 1. This is SPM question. Okay, look at here. Okay, the first equation. Okay, the first equation y less or equal to negative x plus 6. This is the line, the green one. Can you see the green one? And then less. Okay, less. Is it atas atau bawah? Less. The green one, this is a line. Less or equal to negative x plus 6 should be right here. The black one. Okay. Look at the second equation. Y greater than 2x minus 4. More, bigger than 2x minus 4. So, is it the atas atau bawah? Atas ke bawah? This is the line, the purple one. Y is equal to 2x minus 4.
Atas.
Which atas? Greater than. Okay. The red shade, the red shade. And this is x greater than 1 is not given. It's not given. So we have to draw where is the x equal to 1. Okay. So this is the x exists and x equal to 1 should be where is it? Here. 0, 1, and 2. 1 should be here. Then the line should be, is it a solid line or dotted line? Solid line or dotted line, class?
Solid line.
Solid line. Why?
No. Dotted line.
This is x equal to 1. And the symbol is rather only n. So we have to use the dotted line. So the greater than 1 should be left side or right side? Left side or right side?
Left.
Left is less than 1. This is 0, negative 1, negative 2. So
Right.
Right side. Okay, right side. Okay, so right side is 1. So which area, which region satisfy the three inequalities given? Okay, should be here. Then, okay, one mark for one mark. Okay, sorry. Look at here how we get mark from this. Okay, 1 mark for write down the you draw the dotted line in the correct place, 1 mark, and then you shade the given region in the correct. So what you get here, how many mark for this question? How many mark? It should be 3 marks. Okay, should be 3 marks. Can you okay, can you see my slide there?
Can, teacher.
Okay, okay, thank you. Okay. Look at 2015. Example 2015. Okay. On the graph graph in the answer space, shade the region which satisfies all three inequalities. First inequalities is 2x plus y greater or equal to 2. Then x plus y less or equal to 5. Then y greater than x. Okay, first step. This is a given. The line is given already, so you don't have any problem. You just identify which one the area, which one the region. Okay, for the first equation, 2x plus y greater than 2. This is the line for 2x plus y, and then when greater than 2, it should be kawasannya sebelah atas. And the other one, x plus y less than 5. Less should be the yellow. This is the yellow region. Then y greater than x. Y greater than x mean what? When y is equal to x bila x kosong, y pun kosong. Bila x 1, y 1. Bila x 2, y 2. So we have to draw this line. This is represent to y equal to x. This means 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and so on. Okay, this is a line. When the symbol is y greater than x, so we have to represent it as a dotted line. Then bigger. So bigger should be the red region. And what is the answer? Which area satisfy all three inequalities? Apa bentuk dia? What is the shape?
Triangle.
Triangle. So black one, triangle. Okay, so 1 mark for you correct. Give a dotted line here for y is equal to x, 1 mark. And then 2 marks for you shade the correct place. 2 marks. There is 3 marks for your SPM. Okay. Any question? Any question for the SPM question? Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So can I continue? Okay, 2016. Okay, the example for SPM 2016. Okay, here. On the graph in the answer space, shade the region which satisfy all three inequalities. Okay, let's say the first inequalities is y greater than or equal to negative 3x plus 6. Given the line already. And number 2, y greater than x plus 1. Given the line already. And the dotted line because the equation is more than. And this equation, this line is not given. Y less or equal to 5. This equation is not given. So the first step, we shade. Okay, y greater or equal to negative 3x plus 6. It should be atas, atas garis dia. This area is greater. And the second one, y more than x plus 1, the red area. And the last one, y less or equal to 5. Which line? Is it on x axis or y axis plus y less than 5? Is it on x axis or y axis? The line for y less than 5. Which line? Is it at x axis or y axis? Anybody have answer? Y less than 5. Okay, we know it that y is equal to mx plus c. Now we don't have m. That means m is equal to 0. So which line? With y is equal to 5. Is this lay on x axis or y axis? No answer. This is line. This is the line. The green one is represent y less than 5. So the region is under the line. Okay, which answer? Where is the region? Satisfied. Siapa tahu? Mana satu kawasan yang memuaskan ketiga-tiga ketaksamaan tersebut? Which one? Where is the answer? You can send your answer like this. So must be have a final answer. Where is the answer? What is the shape of the answer? What is the shape? Bentuk
Triangle.
apa? Triangle. Okay, it should be right here. Okay. So 1 mark for you draw the correct line for y is equal to 5. Mesti ada ni lah. Kalau this tak ada, this line hijau tak ada, jawapan awak you cannot put, you cannot get the full mark. Is it clear? Okay. And 2 mark you correct, you shade the correct picture. Okay. Is it clear, class?
Clear teacher.
Okay. Can you understand? Can you understand? Okay.
Can teacher.
Okay. Very good. So, okay, that is for how we solve the problem, involving the linear inequalities. Okay, sampai sini ya. Okay, so now example just now you have to do your homework. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Okay, then one more example. One more last. Okay. Do you remember what is this? Just now teacher said what? M, gradient. M is equal to gradient. Gradient ni apa? Keseronan lah. M is y2 minus y1 multiple by divide by x2 minus x1. This is a gradient. Okay, this is a gradient. M. The gradient M, and then this also the gradient M. This is M positive. This is M negative. Okay. Yes, you have to know what this. Okay, is it clear? Can you remember how we want to find M? Can you remember? Okay, my battery is low. Okay, so now, okay, look at the example 13. Example 13, how we write, okay. Example 13, write 3 linear inequalities that satisfy the shaded region in each diagram below. Okay, write down 3. Okay, what is the equation here? So the shaded region is given. The shaded region is given, but in this question, they want you to give the linear inequalities. What is it? What is the linear inequalities? So you have to use the formula y is equal to mx plus c. Remember? And the straight line is on coordinate 5, 5. Can you remember? Hello there. Can you remember or not? This is for y, this is for x. So we have to use this formula to find the equation for the straight line. Okay, let's say here. Y is equal to 5. Okay. M, you know M or not? M. M is equal to what? Okay, when we look at the formula, M is equal to, let's say, this is a straight line and this is the point 0, 0, isn't it? And this is 0.55. So let's say this is x, y, y1. This is x2, y2. Can you remember? Can you follow me? Can? 0, 0, and 5, 5. So M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Remember or not? xy, y1, x2, y2. This is first x1 and y1. First group. This is second group. So we name it as x2, y2. Okay. So using this formula, y2 is 5 minus y1 is 0 over x2 is 5 minus x1 is 0. So 5 over 5. 5 over 5 is equal to what? Class? 5 over 5, 1. So M now is equal to 1. We get from this line, from this graph. So M is equal to 1. X now is become 5. 1 multiplied by 5 plus C. C is what? C is pintasan Y. Pintasan Y. Pintasan Y. Kat mana dia potong kat CY? Pada titik kosong. So the equation is 5 is equal to M is equal to 1. 5 Y is equal to M is equal to 1 and C is equal to 0. So what is the equation now, class? What is the equation? What? The equation we must write down as a linear form. Okay, this is 1. So Y is equal to M is now 1, X plus 0. So the equation is X is equal to Y. The first equation, X is equal to Y. Can you get me? Can you understand? We have to find the equation when the line is given. Okay. So the first one, Y is equal to X. And the shaded region here, is it atas atau bawah? The shaded region, atas garis atau bawah garis? Class, the shaded region is pink, isn't it? So is it atas garis atau bawah garis? Atas kan? So kalau atas, that's mean what? Y greater or equal to X. This equation. This is the answer for number 1. The equation for number 1. Okay. Then the equation for number 2. What is this? Apa ni? Garisan ni. Baru tadi ada contoh. Soalan SPM tadi. What is the name of this equation? Anybody? Just now ada cikgu tunjuk contoh. Apakah nama garisan ini? Y is equal to what? Dia potong pada 5. So Y is equal to 5. So equation number 2, Y is equal to 5. But the shaded region is dekat bawah. Kalau dekat bawah, Y, the second equation is Y less or equal to 5. Can you understand? Is it clear? Anybody? Lupa ya? Lupa ya? This is my memory. That means you already know about this. Okay. Given the shaded region and they want you to write down the 3 inequalities. Okay. Lupa ya? Semua orang lupa? Okay, kalau lupa, okay, nanti awak tengok balik example 13. Example 13, there is a example here. Cuma kaedah dia lain sikit daripada cikgu. So you have compare lah. Each way you have easier. Okay. Any question? Any question? Ada lagi tak ni? Everybody, is it still there? Is it still there?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Why so quiet? Are you sleeping there?
No, teacher.
You can eating, you can drinking, yeah. But don't sleeping, yeah. Okay. Okay. I think you forget already, this equation. Betul tak? Sudah lupa this one?
A bit, teacher.
A bit, okay. This just as a revision for you. Okay, look at B. Look at example B here. Okay, example B. Okay, what is the equation? Okay, first equation. This is a line. Okay, what is the coordinate for here? For this point. What is coordinate? 0, 2. Isn't it? This is coordinate 0, 2, isn't it? Is it true or not?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay, what is the coordinate here? 4, 0. Why? Why we have to use the coordinate? Because we want to find M. Here, we find M. Okay. Okay, example number 2, example B, lesson B. So the coordinate is 0 and 2, and the other one is 4, 0. Now, looking at x1, y1, x2, y2. What is m now? M is equal to y2, 0 minus y1, 2, over x2, 4 minus 0. So you have negative 2 over 4. You can simplify it as a negative 1 over 2. This is a gradient. This is a gradient for this line. Okay, can you understand? Then the equation should be y is equal to mx plus c. From this graph, what is c? What is c? What is c? Intercept of y. What is c? C is equal to 2. Betul tak? Dekat sini dia potong pasti y pada 2. So sekarang kita substitute inside the formula. So y is equal to m now is equal negative 1 over 2x. C is 2. So this is the equation for this line. Can you get me? Can you understand? Can you understand?
Can, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now, the shaded region is atas ataupun bawah daripada graf ni? Bawah kan? Bawah kan? So the equation should be bukanlah y less than or equal to negative 1 over 2x plus c. This is the first equation. Okay, can you understand? Can or not? Hello. Okay, now look at the second line. For the second line, second line is a coordinate 4, 0, and the other one is, what is coordinate here? 0, negative 4. So we pick this coordinate. Okay, this is for number 2. Okay, 4, 0 and 0, negative 4. Let's say this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Why teacher do this? Because we want to find m first. M is equal to negative 4 minus 0 over 0 minus 4. Can you understand? Where does teacher get this number? From the graph. Okay, what is it? Negative 4 over negative 4. Okay, what is the value for m now?
1.
Okay, 1. And then look at here, the graph is intercept x, y axis on negative 4. So from the equation, y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, we write down y is equal to m now is 1, x, c is negative 4, minus 4, plus negative, plus and negative become negative. So the equation is x minus 4. And x minus 4, is it the under graph or? Okay, this is x. This is the region. Lebih besar ke lebih kecil? Atas ke bawah? Bila atas, dia adalah lebih besar. So the second equation, y greater or less than x minus 4. Okay, can you understand? Boleh faham tak? Is it clear? Is it clear, class? Senyap. Okay, senyap nampaknya. Okay. And then, okay, satu lagi. Dia nombor 1, nombor 2, and then nombor 3. Kenapa graf dia tu di sini saja? Tak termasuk di sini. Sebab dia adalah kawasan ni. X kan? X. Okay, so X mesti lebih besar dari 0. X lebih besar atau sama dengan 0. Okay, this is the answer. This is the 3 equation. Okay, this is the 3 equation. Satisfy the given equation. Okay, is it clear for you? I think you have to do a lot. Okay, I think you have to do a lot of exercise to memorize. 1 1.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. Okay, this is the last one. Okay, for you, homework. Okay, homeworks. Look at page 175. 175. Okay, self practice 6.2D. Okay, number one, and number one, number two, and number three. Okay, can you do that? Can?
Can teacher. Number one,
Okay.
number two, number three.
Number one, number two, and number three. Okay. This is okay. Any question? Any question you want to ask? Any question? Is it clear for you? This one this part lah. So you have to do more exercise here. The exercise you can look at the homework that teacher gave, and then don't forget you have to look at also example 14. Okay, example 14. This is a task for you. You have to study example 14, and then you can PM me personal message in the Telegram or the WhatsApp if you not understand this question. Okay or not? Boleh tak?
Boleh cikgu.
Okay. Mas DM me on your Telegram or WhatsApp. Then how many of you got a problem to send your homework?
Teacher,
Semua.
you mean what should I send you personally?
Can. You can send through the Telegram. You can send through Telegram. You can send also through Telegram lah. It's better Telegram. If you cannot use Google Classroom. Google Classroom that I share. But empat raya, I think you don't have any problem. There is two of you send already. This one, empat raya. Okay, look at here. Those who not initiate your exercise. Okay, I give you some example. Okay, shade the region. Shade. The question want you to shade. But who is it? Ricky. Is this? Just copy the question, but not shade. After shade, you can use your watercolor or your pencil color to shade. This is a teacher said that you have to shade. Okay. Shade. And which example? Okay. There's also shade the region. You can use a different color. Okay, this one also tak shade. Okay, look at here. Soalan G, tu nampak? Soalan G, we have to use change Y as a subject. We have to use Y as a subject. Okay, the example, the question is X minus Y is greater or equal to 2 kan? Okay, then we have to use Y ni kita pindah ke sana Y, we have to move that. Negative Y become Y. Negative Y become Y. You can, okay. Boleh tak saya lihat? Tengok sini. Negative Y, bila cikgu move ke sana, dia akan jadi Y, betul? Then X tulis dulu. 2 bila kita pindah ke sini dia akan jadi negative 2. So Y, X minus 2 greater or equal to Y. Then we have to change Y as a subject. Bila Y kat sini mesti lebih kecil kan? Kita terbalik kalau tanda. Bila Y sebagai subjek, Y is less than or equal to X minus 2. Bila Y less, the shaded region is should be kat bawah lah. Bawah garis ni lah. Okay? Basic clear? Sama juga soalan H. Tengok soalan H ni. X minus Y is less than negative 3 kan? Okay, so we have to change Y as a subject. Pindahkan Y ke sebelah kanan. Negative Y become positive Y. Then tanda jangan tukar lagi. Tanda masih lagi guna tanda lebih besar. And then X tulis dulu. Negative 3 bila kita pindah ke sana dia akan jadi positive 3. Then bila Jadi kita tulis balik kat sini x plus 3 less than y. So we have to move y kat depan. Y mesti lebih besar kan? So we have to change the sign. Y greater than x plus 3. Can you understand? Can you understand class? Boleh nampak tak ni?
Can, teacher.
Okay, very good.
Teacher, what should I send you in Telegram or WhatsApp personally?
Boleh. You can send to Telegram. It's easier lah, Telegram lah. WhatsApp we have to keep the gallery, isn't it? So use a Telegram. It's easier teacher to know from who. Okay. Any question? Any question? Okay, soalan SPM kita sudah bincang. Okay, buku teks pun sudah habis. Ada soalan lagi nak tanya tak? Okay. Oh, empat cempaka, kenapa yang tak boleh masuk empat cempaka tak boleh hantar. Empat cempaka, kenapa tak boleh hantar dalam Google Classroom? Kenapa ya? Empat raya okey, tak ada masalah. Empat raya boleh hantar. Okay, tak apa, kalau tak boleh you just masuk DM saya lah, DM dalam Telegram. Okay, any question? Any question? This is a final chapter, so final chapter lah for this. This is final topic. So after the school we open school, we can move to chapter 7. Okay, so if you don't have any question, I need you to do the homework. Then you can ask me. It's a lot of things that you cannot memorize. Any question? Any question, class?
Teacher, the self-practice 6.2b question that we need to do 1, 2, and 3, right?
Which page? Which page, Cecilia?
175.
This one,
Yeah.
Yes. Number 1, number 2, and number 3.
Okay.
Okay, one more, I think. Okay, look at it. I think I have to show you for the more example for the linear inequalities. There is more to the next. Okay, look at example 14. Yes, example 14. Madam Carol, anybody can read for this question, please? Anybody? Read this question. Okay, Cecilia can read this question. Example 15.
Madam Carol needs to select at most 20 people for a choir competition. The number of girls is at least twice the number of boys.
Okay.
A. Write two linear inequalities more other than x
Greater than 0. Yes, Cecilia? Lost internet signal. Okay.
Sorry, my internet.
Okay.
Okay. Greater than 0 and 2 y greater than 0, which represent the conditions of the selection of the competition.
B.
Draw and shape the region that satisfies the above system of linear inequalities.
Okay.
From the graph, determine the minimum and maximum number of girls when the number of boys is 5.
Okay.
Determine whether the condition of the selection are agreed. I can't see the picture. I can't see the okay. To
Pardon?
if to if 8 boys went to participate in the choir competition, justify your name.
Okay. Look at here. This is how we solve the problem. We have to use the linear inequalities to solve the problem. Madam Carol needs to select at most 20 people. 20 people for the choir. And then the number of girls, at least twice of the number of boys. Okay, just now early in the class, um, siapa baca tadi? Sudah baca dalam box kan? The number of girls is twice of the number of boys. So we have to use the box. We have to use the earlier box to find the equation. Okay, look at it. Let's say girls. Let's say girls is X, and then boy is Y. Okay. Hey. Okay. Let's say the girls is X, then the boy is Y. Okay. The first equation. Okay. Write two linear inequalities. Okay. Kecuali ni kecuali yang ni. Okay. So X plus Y must be 20 lah. Boleh lebih ke? X plus Y 20. So is it more than 20 or less than 20? More or less? Kalau if we have only 20 people, so X plus Y must be less or more? Less or more?
Less.
Less. Must be less or equal to 20. This is first equation. And the second equation, what is it? The number of girls is at least twice the number of girls. Let's say girls X, at least twice for the boy. At least. So what is at least? Sekurang-kurangnya 2 kali lelaki. So at least siapa? Paling kurang 2Y. So must be less or greater? Less or greater? Must be sekurang-kurangnya 2Y, paling kurang lah. So lebih tak apa. So 2Y ni masuk. So what is X? What is the symbol here? X must be more or equal to 2Y. Okay, can you understand? This is second equation. Number 1 equation and number 2 second equation. Okay, this one teacher always remind you to make Y as a subject. So look at example 1, look at the linear number 1. So when Y is equal to subject, Y less than 20, X we have moved that negative X. Then the number 2, 2Y less than X. Bila kita baca 2Y dari belakang kan, less than X. Write down like this lah. Okay, is it clear? Must Y as a subject. Must let Y as a subject. Okay, is it clear for you? Okay, this is first equation. For the first equation, first step, we have to use the table X and Y. Like just now Okay, Y is less than 20 minus X. So, sekarang cikgu gantikan. Okay, gantikan X dengan siapa dulu? Nak senang kan? Senang kita gantikan kosong. When X is equal to 0, Y is equal to 20 minus 0. Y is equal to 20. When X is equal to 0, Y is equal to 20. Then, when Y, kita terbalikkan pula. When Y is equal to 0, Y is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 20 minus x. So x is equal to 20 also. So y is equal to 0. It should be 20 here. So what is the coordinate? 0, 20, and 20. Okay, can you understand? Can you understand? Okay, this is for equation number 1. Equation number 1. Equation number 1. For the equation number 2, equation number 2, 2y is equal to x. Okay, same also, we build the table for the value for x and y. Okay, let's say when x is equal to 0, when x equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 lah. Then when y is equal to 0, when y is equal to 0, x become what? Okay, we try another. Okay, we try another number lah. Let's say when y is equal to 10 lah. Okay, when y is equal to 10. Okay, when y is equal to 10, 10 is equal to x. So x is equal to 20. So y is equal to 10 here. X is equal to 20. So the coordinate 0, 0, and the other one is 20, 10. Okay, so we have 4 coordinate here. 4 coordinate. But the value is more beside. Okay, so we draw the line like this. Okay, look at here. Look at here. We draw the graph like this. Look at the scale. When we use the bigger number, the scale bigger lah. So we start with 5, 10, 15, and 20, and so on. This one also 5, 10, 50, and 20. This is part C X. X axis is for girl. X axis for girl, and Y axis for boys. Then, okay, 0, 20. 0, 20 here. Then 20, 0. 20, 0 here. So we extend the line, we get this line. Can you understand? For first equation. And for second equation, 0, 0, 0, 0 here, 0, 0, and 20, 10. 20, 20 should be on 10, 10 here. So we extend the line, then we get the straight line here. Okay, can you understand? Then baru kita tengok what is the equation. Is it the bigger, is it greater than, or less than? When the less than should be ke bawah, and more than should be ke atas. Okay, can you understand? Is it clear? Is it clear? That's why kita dapat this area, this shaded region. Okay, sebab dekat sini atas ni dia dah mention. Dekat atas ni dia dah mention x must be greater than 0 and y must be greater than 0. So that's why we just focus on the positive side only. Okay, can you understand? Can you understand or not? So quiet, discuss. Can you understand? Can you get me?
Can answer,
Boleh?
teacher.
Okay, can So now we have to, we already draw the graph. Okay, kalau tak nak guna buku latihan awak pun, you can draw the graph using graph paper. Then you paste on your book. Boleh? Boleh Oh, you dah tak sabar nak buat your homework?
I use my exercise book, teacher.
Use your exercise book. Okay. Any question? Any question? Sampai. So the question number 3, the question number 3 is for page 175 is most like the example just now. Okay, can you understand? Try to understand this example, and then you do the question number 3. Okay. Any question? Anybody want to ask?
No, teacher.
Is it very clear? Is it very clear?
Understandable, teacher.
Understand. So you have to do the work given. So more understand. Okay, more understand. Okay. So there is 31 of you. 31 of you. Okay, where is the monitor for Empat Raya? Empat Raya. Where is the monitor? Empat Raya.
He didn't join the class, teacher.
Didn't join the class.
Yeah.
Cecilia, are you a monitor?
No.
You Empat?
Raya.
Empat Raya. Okay. Empat Cempaka. Where is the monitor? Where is monitor? Didn't join also. Okay, any question? Any question? Or you text me, you text the question. No, don't have any question, Wong? Don't have a question. Okay, so if you don't have any question, can I dismiss this class earlier? Can or not?
Can, teacher.
No, teacher.
But you have to do the homework. I give to you just now. Can?
Teacher, by when I should submit my homework?
Okay. Nanti cikgu akan bagi tahu dalam group
Okay.
Okay. So because the first homework also you tak hantar, so nanti you lagi banyak kerja kan. So after this I give in the group, okay? Let me know in the group. Okay, anybody have a question? Or I need to ask one by one. Okay, what we have learned just now? What we have learned just now? Just now. Amanda. Amanda?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, what we just we learned just now?
Shade the region accordingly, according to the question.
Pardon?
Shade the region.
Shade the region. Shade the region
According to the question.
according to the linear equalities.
Linear equality.
Okay, very good, Amanda. Okay, then what also we have learned today? Cosinway. Cosinway, are you there? Are you there? Okay, more. What we have learned today?
Determine and the graph for the given question. Yeah, the question without
Cannot clear.
linear.
Not very clear lah, Ko. Can you repeat it again?
Okay. We learn how to determine the linear equation based on the question, and then take out graph, and then change the range between it.
Okay, very good. Determine the linear equation that for the shaded region. Okay, very good, Ko. Okay, the last one. The last one. What we have done before today? Ruben Rush, where are you? Ruben Rush, are you there? Ruben Rush?
How
Yes.
to label the sketch and how to draw the sketch, the diagram.
Pardon? Cannot hear you clearly. Can you repeat it again, Ruben?
How to draw the graph and label the equation.
Okay, how to plot the graph and what, Ruben?
Label the equation.
Label it. Label the graph, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. The last one, we learn how to solve the problem. Include using the linear equation. Linear inequalities. Okay. Okay, that's for your what we have learned today. Okay, any question before we left our class? Any question? Any question? Somebody has left already. Okay. Okay, if you don't have any questions, so there is 30 minutes more, there is around 25 minutes more, so you have to do the homework that teacher gave just now. Can or not? So at 6 o'clock, 6, that means I already have your homework lah. If you want to PM me also can. Okay, can or not? Can or not?
Can, teacher.
Okay, until 6 p.m. Until 6 p.m. you have to do the homework using the book before. Same book. Using the same book. Okay, that's all class. Thank you for joining. Okay, thank you class. The class dismissed now.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, you are welcome.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, thank you class.